Are you ready for more healthy skin and hair? Feel refreshed with the Berkey Inline Shower Filter. This shower filter will reduce up to 98% of harsh chlorine, which can damage delicate skin and hair. It also helps inhibit bacterial growth, and it reduces heavy metals, algae, scale, and sediment in your water. One of the best benefits of this shower filter is that you can use your shower head of choice. The Berkey Wellspring Inline Shower Filter lasts for up to 30,000 gallons or approximately 1 year with typical use, and can be swapped out by hand in mere moments. Keep the shower head you enjoy and shower healthier than ever before. It's so easy to install. The first thing you do is take the shower head and plumber's tape off. Watch out for excess water coming out. Next, put on new plumber's tape. Wrap it around the threads 3 times. Attach the Berkey Inline Shower Filter to pipe on wall. Turn the nut clockwise as tightly as possible. Apply plumber's tape to the filter thread again for 3 turns and then break off excess tape. Attach your favorite shower head, turn water on, and observe for any leaks. If you do observe a leak like I did, turn off the water and, using a wrench, tighten nuts 1/4 at a time. Okay, well, what if it's still leaking like you see right here? Aha! I think I found it this time. The housing for the shower filter was not tightened properly. As you can see, problem solved. Now we can enjoy a nice, clean, and refreshing shower without chlorine and heavy metals. To learn more about the Berkey Inline Shower Filter, click the link in the description below. Like and share this video with others, and click the subscribe button to stay up to date with Berkey.